okay?
Well, yeah, but I've been having some trouble on my wash and it's taking forever. My hair is dry and brittle.
Why don't you count on core?
Core? What's that? And how do you count on core?
I count on core for this pop-in twist out definition and hydration. You can find the Main Choice Core collection at your local Walgreens so you can have that pop-in definition and cut your wash day in half. I'm going to share with you what I use to get this pop-in twist out and this detail flat twist. But first, let me tell you about the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo. Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo definitely give you some slip so you don't have to worry about hassling your hair during the shampoo process. I followed up with the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Conditioner towards my ends so I can have a little bit more moisture even though the shampoo already did its thing, but you know, we can never have too much. Once my hair was nice and clean, I started my styling process. To start off my styling, I use the Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. You can use this as a leave-in as I did to start off your styling process, but this is also a co-wash and detangler. So if you want to get 3-in-1 things done, you can use this one product. After applying my leave-in, I use Doesn't Get Much Better Than This. You could count on the daily dressing to give your hair shine and hydration. This product is packed with botanical blends to give your hair a nice shine and nourishment. Talk about soft. Hello. I cannot get too much of the daily hair dressing. It keeps my hair very moisturized throughout the day. Next, I use the Crystal Orchid. This actually was my first time using this and I am hooked. It gave my hair so much definition but a soft hold, and guess what? It's infused with biotin. So hair growth at the same time, you can't get any better than this. Crystal Orchid definitely gave me this poppin' definition here. Honey, you can't tell me that this is not poppin'. This is definitely a new staple for my twist out. Look at this definition. Then I follow up with the growth oil and I massage that on my scalp. It helps reduce shedding and revitalize your scalp. So this is a great oil to use on a daily. Then finally, to touch up my edges, to give it that nice sleek look and also grow my edges at the same time, I use Laid Back Effortlessly Growth Stimulating Edge Control. Who you know that grows your edges and lay it at the same time? Who? I'll wait. In the meantime, look at these edges. Hello. So this is how I got my pop-in hairstyle with my flat twist detail on the side. Are you looking for faster hair growth, more length retention, and manageability? You can count on Core too.
Wow, you're a lifesaver. Maybe I should count on Core.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.